If you're looking for the most cutting-edge AI software, you've probably heard about Twig AI, and in this review, I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll share some insights that could really change the way you work with AI, especially if you're just starting with it. Plus, you can try this software completely free using the first link below. Twig AI is a brand new release, and it's quickly gaining attention. So, let's break down exactly why this could be the AI tool you've been waiting for. First off, Twig AI is designed with simplicity in mind. Unlike other complex AI platforms, Twig keeps things streamlined, making it ideal for anyone, whether you're a digital marketing pro or just someone looking to explore AI for business. What makes it stand out is its user-friendly interface, which allows you to dive right in without feeling overwhelmed. It focuses on automation and efficiency, so you can get the most out of your time with minimal effort. But here's something crucial. Twig AI isn't just a chatbot or a tool for simple tasks. It actually learns from your inputs and becomes more accurate over time. This adaptive learning system means that as you use the software more, it starts making smarter decisions and suggestions based on your previous actions. This sets Twig AI apart from other platforms that can feel static after a while. The second point I want to bring up is how Twig integrates with existing workflows. This is something a lot of AI tools struggle with, but Twig shines here. Whether you're managing social media campaigns, automating customer service responses, or working on content creation, Twig seamlessly plugs into your tools. This saves you from the headache of juggling multiple platforms and keeps everything in one place. Now, let's talk pricing. A big plus for Twig AI is that it offers a free trial, so you can really get a feel for the software without committing. And compared to other AI tools, it's much more affordable for what you get. For those on a budget or just looking to test the waters, Twig AI gives you solid value right out of the gate. Another game changer with Twig AI is its advanced analytics feature. It doesn't just help you automate tasks. It also provides detailed insights into the performance of your campaigns. This means you can track what's working and adjust in real time, which is crucial for anyone who wants to maximize their results without guesswork. On top of that, Twig AI has a powerful content creation tool built in. If you're in digital marketing, content is king, and Twig helps you generate copy for ads, blog posts, and more in just minutes. It even tailors the tone and style based on your preferences, which makes it a huge time saver. This feature alone is worth checking out if you're involved in content-heavy marketing. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Twig AI's ability to scale with your business. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a large team, this software adapts to your needs. It can automate tasks for small operations and handle complex workflows for larger teams. The scalability ensures that as your business grows, Twig AI grows with you. Lastly, and this is important for those of you who are concerned about data privacy, Twig AI takes security seriously. They offer robust encryption and ensure that your data stays secure, which is a critical factor when choosing AI tools for any business. To wrap up, Twig AI is one of the most impressive AI tools I've come across recently. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and offers a ton of features that can help streamline and enhance your business operations. If you're new to AI, this could be the perfect starting point. You can try it for free right now using the first link below. And if you've been looking for more AI tools that can elevate your business, I've listed my top recommendations in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that these are the ones you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those free trials to find the perfect AI software for your needs.